If you are using QuickBooks Online and you're having it do like auto taxes for you, it could delay when you can process your W-2s. So if you want to turn this feature on to help you get your forms done or use those features, I wanted to share with you where you would go in QuickBooks to turn it on or off. By the way, if we've never met before, hi, I'm Candus Kampfer. I love to help business owners and bookkeepers with QuickBooks. And so this is a little tip I was just going to work on myself today. So I wanted to share it with you. I recently did a video all about deadlines you need to know, and the dates and when your 1099s will be available change depending on if you have this feature turned on or not. I will also share with you up above or down below, you can check for that video. So if you're like, yes, important deadlines, I want to know about when W-2s, 1099s, quarterly forms, any of those things are due, make sure to check that out because I have a PDF that goes with it. So let's jump into QuickBooks. This is a screen. Up here, you'll see automated taxes and forms off. If yours is on and you want to adjust it, you're going to click the little pencil. If you're wondering, how did I get here? Depending on what version of QuickBooks you're using, you're going to go to taxes, payroll taxes. If you don't see that right away, just go under payroll to the left, depending on what version, because this is live, but mine looks maybe a little different than yours. And then you're going to click this little pencil and it will take you into your settings. And you'll want to make sure that if you want to be able to get your forms dialed in quicker, sooner, that you turn that off. Because if it's on, you will not be able to go in and print your W-2s until after January 15th. For any reason you're going to need them done before that, make sure this is off. Now, this is a thing to know. You need to get this turned off before the end of the year, because once everything starts getting processed as of January 1st, you will not be able to turn this off later. So if it doesn't matter to you, leave it on. Let them do their thing. But if you want to have any part in it, or you want to be able to make changes or adjustments, make sure you turn this off. I will also include a video. So if you're like, say, in the state of California and you need to adjust your state unemployment rate or your ETT rate, those are things you have to do manually. It's not something QuickBooks will do for you. I will link those videos up above and down below, so you can always check those out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you want to get these tips and tricks straight to your inbox, you can go up above or down below and we'll send them to you. So let me know any big ahas you had. If you had this on, you turned it off, or if you didn't have it on, but you're thinking you might want to pay for the extra feature of letting QuickBooks process your quarterly forms and taxes for you in the future so that life is even easier in the new year. All right, I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you inside the next video. Bye.